Living a full life even though you have diabetes. When it comes to day-to-day management, diabetes is a difficult disease to have. Not only does it require you to make drastic changes to your diet, it also requires extensive monitoring and maintenance. Diabetes will never stop being challenging to manage, but there are a number of things you can do to deal with it. Here are some strategies and suggestions that you can use to manage and stay healthy while you deal with diabetes. Keep track of all the medicines you are taking for your diabetes and any other condition you have in case you ever need to know. You should carry with you information on their names, dosages, and how often you are taking them in case something happens to you when you're out, or a doctor you're visiting requests that information. When you're planning to go to a doctor's visit, write down any concerns you have. It doesn't matter how outlandish they may seem, it's much easier to read them off a page, or PDA or tablet, whatever works for you, than trying to remember them. Every bit of information you gain will help you keep your health in check. Don't use alcohol swabs on your skin before you give yourself an injection of insulin. They will dry out your skin and cause you more trouble than they're worth, which will make you even less happy about having to take your treatment. As long as you clean your skin with soap and water, you should be fine. You must carefully monitor the disease, and take care of your health by exercising and eating a proper diet. Although diabetes can be a tough problem to deal with, this video provides some excellent advice that makes it less challenging. Stop struggling and start treating your diabetes as a normal part of life. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.